Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of The Younger Sister Just Want Me to Coax Her. Chapter 35, so here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Gusing and Mengyan. The two of them are playing games. Don't throw it away. On the other hand, it seems that she won. But right now, of course, Mengyan, she is always tricky and said to her, I lost. I have to take it off. Oh, this girl. What did she mean? Is she really willing to take off her clothes? Well, we can say that. It turns out she was really willing. She really take it off. Mengyan, she's really crazy, right? She was acting like it was really nothing for her. Well, this girl, she must be really crazy. But after that, she is not satisfied but want to sit on Gusing. Well, I will take off the inside first. Gusing, she seems to be rattled. Of course, right now, she really can't believe that Mengyan's gonna do this. This counts as one. Don't have under. Oh, she's really getting crazy, especially right now. Mengyan said to her, I choose the front. Now she tossed the coins again, and it was spinning on the mid-air. Well, who could be the winner this time? It must really Gusing again. Oops, why my sister won again? Blessed by the god of luck. Oh, right now, Gusing. She was really looking at Mengyan. Of course, Mengyan is getting crazy. She's think right now. Really? Did she do anything? But you won't lose if you cheat, right? It's really a luck. Mengyan said to Gusing. Well, let's see on what will happen. Since Mengyan, she's getting crazy. You need to untie it. Where is it? Oh, well, now, she's really crazy, and she really won't stop. When others play these games, they are too shy and refuse to take off of their clothes. Gusing said to Mengyan, but right now, Mengyan is also convinced that, has my sister played with anyone else? Who is it? I am definitely not angry. I'm just curious if there is an unruly person right now looking at Mengyan. Seems to be happy teasing Gusing. Because I am teasing my sister, she means that she was really happy teasing Gusing. But Gusing, look at her. Right now, it's like she was being tempted. She said to herself that no, she won't really see her. Gusing, you have to hold back. This is your daughter, your own daughter. You can act like a beast. People can't live with their best. If they can get on by, on the way home, they can live on. Right now, Gusing, he lifted up his clothes and game over. Right now, hurry up. He told to Mengyan, but Mengyan was only staring at her. She seems to be happy. Although all she can do is to tease Gusing right now. She seems to be not bothered. Well, this girl is really getting crazy, although right now. Gusing right now, she tried to bite open. Well, Mengyan seems to be surprised. Well, the two of them are getting crazy. Right now, Gusing, you're really willing to tease her again? Now, touch it yourself and show it to me. Oh, now, has some guts to tease her. She is not afraid anymore. And also, she was not shy. If you don't do it, just wait until what have done is made public and your reputation will be ruined. How about plastering your ugliness all over the school? Sure enough, this is my track. You don't want Muyang to see your face. The ambitious female supporting character, Gusing said to herself. Is she really getting crazy over her? My sister really knows how to attract me. How could my sister do this? Oh, the game is not over yet. It's time for a new round. Mengyang said to Gusing. Oh, right now, she tossed the coin again. Well, it's just, who could be the winner this time? And also, this is getting hot. Well, let's see, who is the winner? Oops, what a pity. It was my sisters who lost this time. Then, it's my turn to ask. Oh, what could be wrong? Is Gusing is really ready for this? The provocation and teasing of Mengyan. Why does my sister care so much about Moyang? What secret do you have between you? Oh, she's really curious, right? And Gusing said, isn't it just a toy? Well, is she really hiding something from her? She knows that Mengyan always provoke her. Gusing suddenly said to her, what are you doing? And Mengyan, she moved closer to her. Right now, looking at her. Oops, sister, think clearly before you speak. Well, what could it be wrong? It seems that Mengyan, she really won't admit defeated. That's why she said to her, you can't lie. Oh, probably she knows that. Gusing is lying, that's why she always teases her. But Gusing said to her, I have already answered. If you don't like it, don't like it. Well, Gusing, she's been tough. Also, she feels so brave. But right now, he's good looking, okay? You a girl, sooner or later, I'll deal with you. So does it mean that she also have a crush on Moyang? Well, this is getting crazy. If you lie, how can you make me look good? Mengyang is teasing her again, also provoking her. She get off her hands and put it on her face. My sister lost again. Why did you lose again? Lucky, my sister's lost. So beautiful, sister. Oh, so by then, continue to be lost. And Gusing, how strange, my sister lost again. Sister, do you really hate me? Did someone force my sister to get close to him? My sister likes me very much. Are you close to Muyang? Oh, she asked so many questions. You're silly. Where you came from? Stop it. I told you to stop it. Oh, she's getting impatient. She's losing her patience and also calmness. You're silly if you weren't for the fact that, right now, Mengyan is getting crazy. Continue to provoke her. Oh, the system. The host has been detected and expressed forbidden words to characters in the novel world and violation will be dealt with. She getting punished again. The process successfully. The host executes mute mode 10 minutes and implements weak current penalty. Now she's been doomed. She's been sick. Right now, Mengyan. Why don't my sister answer? Did she give up qualification to tell the truth? So right now, Mengyan. Then I will help you to take a big adventure. And what crazy adventures is talking about? Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can join the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!